Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I'm just quickly going to provide you the update regarding the new courses we are having for upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation. As most of you were asking about the new courses, that what are the new courses we will have now and how many subjects you will be able to prepare with these new courses. So today I hope after watching this video you will have the answer for all your queries and the questions you had. So guys, let's quickly start the discussion about all these new courses, get to know about them, and I hope they are surely gonna help you to prepare for your upcoming exam. As you are having now some time before your exam, as the exam has been deferred, so you can utilize this time well and you can do the best preparation for your upcoming exam. And guys, if you want to attend the live classes of well structured and well planned courses by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you can also use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So let's now start the discussion. But before that, one more thing I'm going to tell you, that is, if you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, then what are the steps you have to take the subscription? You can download the Unacademy Learning app, and there you can select your goal. For example, CSIR UGC NET, CSIR UGC NET. If you are preparing for the upcoming CSIR NET Physics exam or any other subject exam, okay, then you will proceed to take the Unacademy Plus or Unacademy Iconic subscription. What are the differences between the Plus and Iconic subscription we will have? I will just show you that slide too to make it clear to you, and then you can proceed further. The subscription will be available for different durations. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Okay, so in that case, depending on for how much time you want to take the subscription, you can just select that and you can proceed further. There will be a place or a space you will get to write the referral code. So there you can write the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. By using and by applying it, you will have the apply written in front of that space. So write the referral code, apply it. At the same time, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And there will be different subscription amount as per the duration for which you will take the subscription. So all these details you will be able to see regarding the subscription amount, how much is that for particular duration, in the learning app, Unacademy Learning app, when you will proceed further, okay, by following these steps. Or you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google, and then again you can select your goal and then proceed further in the same way. Okay, now guys, there is a new course which is starting tomorrow, which means on 5th May. Okay, and this is a batch course. Batch course means 3 different educators will be conducting the sessions in this one and for different subjects. So I hope it's going to be helpful for all of you too. And if you don't want to miss the sessions of this course and many other courses which I will show you now, okay, then you can take the subscription and you can start attending the sessions from the very first day of the new course. Okay, and you will not miss any of the classes. But by chance, if any course is already going on and you are gonna find that like, oh, it's more helpful, it will be more like helpful for you, okay, it will help you to cover up like more and more topics, you want to continue the sessions of that course, you want to prepare with that course, so in that case guys, the recordings of the previous classes will be available to you for that particular course sessions too. Okay, and that's how you will even be able to cover up the previous classes as well. Whatever discussion has been done there, you will be able to get to know about it. Another thing is, in each and every Unacademy Plus course, we are going to have the doubt clearing sessions too. So with the help of those doubt clearing sessions, you will be able to clear your doubts as well. If you are watching the recordings and something is not getting clear to you, you can ask about it in the doubt clearing session. Another thing guys, here on this screen, the difference between the Plus and the Iconic subscription has been shown. So I hope it will help you to just get to know about it, that which one you want to take, the Plus subscription or the Iconic subscription. Another thing guys, here the benefits of the Iconic subscription has been mentioned separately as well. Now let's talk about the new Unacademy Plus courses. So basically guys, there are gonna be so many new courses which are gonna start or which have recently started in this month. Okay, so like the first one is complete course on physical science, in which we will have different subjects of physical science. Okay, and that's how you'll be able to prepare different subjects at the same time. Clear? Now to know about the course structure for any course, to know about it, like how many subjects are there, how many sessions are there, even if you want to check, you can check the Unacademy learning app. Okay, now to check the course structure, the second one is complete course on electrodynamics. The next one is crash course on mathematical physics. Next, detailed course on advanced quantum mechanics. Next, revision course on physical science through PYQs. The another one is, the PYQs means previous year questions. Complete course on quantum mechanics. Next one is complete course on analog and digital electronics. Next one is rank booster course on nuclear and elementary particle physics. Another one is revision course on thermodynamics, then revision course on electronics. Next one is revision course on electromagnetic theory. The another one is crash course on electromagnetic theory. Next one is Excel course on quantum mechanics and classical mechanics through PYQs, that means previous year questions. Revision course on nuclear and elementary particle physics, conceptual course on quantum mechanics, detailed course on electronics, detailed course on analog electronics, practice course for classical mechanics, crash course on condensed matter physics. So you can see, for condensed matter physics, for classical mechanics, for electronics, for quantum mechanics, for nuclear and elementary particle physics, even for thermodynamics, for electromagnetic theory, for quantum and classical mechanics, for like almost all the subjects you are going to have the sessions here right now. Clear? So which means you will be able to cover up major portion for your upcoming CSIR NET exam if you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription and if you will start attending the sessions of all these important courses. Now you may be thinking like for one particular subject there are more than one courses. So guys, in that way you will have the choices too. If you are not finding one particular course, something which is making everything clear to you, you are not comfortable in getting the concepts there, you are not able to understand by turn some of the concept at some point of time, so you will have other course available to you as well. You can continue watching the other course sessions, and that's how you'll be able to complete and cover up that particular subject preparation from that course. So in this way you will have more options, more opportunity to learn, and that's how I hope everything will get clear to you and you will be ready for your upcoming exam with the guidance of top educators, as well as guys you will be able to know about the important strategies, the concepts, the tricks, the topics in very less time, which will help you to take your preparation to a very good level. So I hope guys everything is clear to you, and to know about the course structure for any of the courses or all the courses, you can even check the Unacademy learning app so that you will not have any kind of confusion. And guys, along with these courses, even there will be many other courses. So if you will check them in the Unacademy learning app, you will get to know about all of them. And guys, if you are thinking like, yeah, you need the guidance by the top educators, you want to attend these live classes and the courses, and as I have told you, even if you are taking the Unacademy Plus subscription today and there is some course which is already going on, so you will be able to check out its previous classes recordings too, and that's how you'll be able to cover up that part as well, and you will not miss anything. So I hope guys you all are getting the things clearly, and if you are the one who was waiting for the new courses to start to take the subscription, so I would say now you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, as many new courses are starting at this point of time and they will help you to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. And whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write and apply it, and you can get, or you will get, the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And guys, you can start your preparation under the guidance of the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus. So I hope all these points or all the details I provided you will surely help you to understand the things well and to get to know about the new courses too. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session, and if you don't want to miss any of the new classes of the new courses and you want to start attending the classes from the starting, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for watching this video till the end. Thank you.